Shaira Len Osuna Roberto, professionally known as Sanya Lopez, is a Filipino actress known for portrayal in the afternoon series The Half Sisters as Luna. In 2016, Lopez gained media attention and rose to fame after being announced as the new Hara Danaya of the 2016 television remake of GMA Network's Encantato. Born on August 9, 1996, she is now 23 years old. She has a sibling named Jack Roberto. She is currently single. Gabriela Luis Ortega Lopez, known professionally as Gabby Garcia, is a Filipino actress and recording artist, currently an artist of GMA Network. Her first acting role was as Nicole Perez on GMA Network's primetime series My Destiny, Pia Santa Maria, and Let the Love Be Good. Born on December 2, 1998, she is now 21 years old. And she has a boyfriend for 3 years named Khalil Ramos. Glyza De Castro is a Filipino actress and singer. After beginning her career in GMA in 2001, she transferred to its rival network, ABS-CBN, where she played mostly minor and supporting roles before returning to GMA in 2006. She was born on January 21, 1988. She is now 32 years old. And she also has a boyfriend. Kylie Nicole Sicampo Padilla Brenica is a Filipino-Australian actress, model, and recording artist. She is the daughter of actor Robin Padilla. Born on January 25, 1993. She is now 27 years old. She is married to Aljur Brenica and has 2 kids. Marian Rivera Gracia Dantes or Marian Gracia Rivera de Dantes is a Spanish-Filipino commercial model and actress best known for her roles in Marimar, Jezebel, Amaya, and Temptation of Wife. As a recording artist, Rivera has released two studio albums, The Marian Rivera Dance Hits and Retro Crazy. Born on August 12, 1984, she is now 35 years old, and she was married to Dingdong Dantas and has two kids. Kate Eliana Valdez Sisante, professionally known as Kate Valdez, is a Filipina actress and model. She is currently working as an exclusive artist of GMA Network and is known for her role as Violet in Destiny Rose and as Mira in Encantadia. She has also played as Natalie Rosemary in Onanay. Born on August 21, 2000, she is now 19 years old and she is currently single. Micaela Marie Javier Quintos is a Filipino actress and singer, also known as Mikey Quintos. She is best known for her role as Lyra in Encantadia. Born on December 18, 1987, she is now 22 years old. And she is now single. Jose Ezequiel Ruru Misa Madrid is a Filipino actor who rose to fame in Portugal, The Battle for the Big Artist Award. In 2016, Madrid landed the role of Ibarra Rama Ibrahim in the television remake of GMA Network's Encantada. He was born on December 4, 1987. He is now 22 years old. Douglas Ella Romigo de Cruz Adiser is a Filipino-Australian actor, singer, songwriter, dancer, and model. He began his career in 2015, contestant in the 6th season of Starstruck, where she was named the ultimate male survivor. Born on December 20, 1999, he is now 20 years old. He has a girlfriend. Miguel Torrijos Tanpelic is a Filipino teen actor who is currently a contract star of GMA Network under GMA Artist Center. Tanpelic started his entertainment career as a finalist in Starstruck Kids, where Enrico Rafael Cueco Nasino, better known by his screen name Rocco Nasino, is a Filipino actor and registered nurse who rose to fame and gained media attention for joining on the 5th season of Starstruck, a Philippine reality show broadcast on GMA Network. Solen Marie Adia Yosa Bolsico is a Filipino-French actress, TV host, model, singer, fashion designer, painter, and professional makeup artist. Born on July 20, 1985, she is now 34 years old and has one daughter. Clea Pineda is a Filipino actress born on March 19, 1999. She is now 21 years old. Juan Francisco is a Filipino child actor and commercial model. Born on 2010, she is now 10 years old. Jose Carlo de la Cruz Gonzalez, better known for his stage name Carlo Gonzalez, is a Filipino actor who roles in Survivor. Rochelle Pangilinan Solina is a Filipina dancer, actress, and recording artist. She was one of the founding members of the popular group Sex Bomb Girls. Marta Vanessa Antonio del Moral Pierre, better known by her screen name Vanessa del Moral Pierre, is a Filipina actress and a talent at one of the top management groups in the Philippines. Romeo Jan Gonzalez Arcia is a Filipino international actor and environmentalist. He is best known for playing the role of the Antonio Luna in the historical epic film General Luna. Neil Ryan Ceci is a Filipino television, movie and theatre actor. He is currently working as an exclusive talent of GMA Network. Born on April 26, 1979, Pancho Angelo Aquino Magno is a Filipino actor. He is the oldest son of Reggie Magno, VP for Drama Productions, GMA Network. Born on October 23, 1986, he is now 33 years old. Manuel Urbano ay isang artista sa Pilipinas. Ang boses kay Nemo na Encantador, ang boses kay Cocker.